Update. Okay, let's do a little update here. So, as you can see, have not made much progress here, and the garage has turned into a complete fucking disaster. That said, I'm doing some improvements. Basically, before I can start stripping this thing down, I would like to get my air compressor hooked up so that I can use pneumatic tools and pneumatic grinders, just to save on elbow grease. In the meantime, I am having my dad help me hook up 220 volt since I don't have a 220 volt plug-in, or didn't have one, but that's almost done. We have a visitor. Another thing is my daily driver ended up getting a impact brake on one of the tires, and I thought it was a perfect opportunity to upgrade the wheels as well, because that's what we do as car guys, right? So I bought those. I'll show you those later. And that set me back about $1,600. So need to save up a little bit more, buy some more tools, and then we'll get back to this bad boy right here. But still in the planning phase for what's next. And as soon as we get the air compressor hooked up, we will resume. For right now though, I'm contemplating what is the best thing to undercoat this with. And some of the things that I've been thinking about are using a high impact single stage paint. That would be option A. And then option B would be doing a underbody coating similar to Raptor liner. Both would be stripped down, seam sealed, and primered. And then the paint or the Raptor liner would be applied after that. I haven't quite decided yet, so if you have any opinions on either one of those, if you've done either one of those, let me know. That's my update.